Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your VW Polo's infotainment system can be frustrating. The most common causes include software glitches, fuse problems, or hardware failures. Start with a simple soft reset by holding down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, check the fuses in the fuse box under the dashboard. A blown fuse is a common culprit for no sound. For black screens, ensure your Polo is up to date with the latest software via the VW app or website. Many issues, especially on newer models with MIB3 or MIB4 systems, can be resolved with over-the-air updates, which are now often mandatory due to EU regulations like DORA. If these basic steps don't fix the problem, it might indicate a more significant hardware or software issue requiring a visit to a VW dealer. If basic troubleshooting fails, advanced software steps may be needed. Connect your VW Polo's infotainment system to Wi-Fi and check for updates through system settings. Use the My Volkswagen app for updates as well. Download it from app stores to manage your system remotely. For older Polos from 2010 to 2017, OTA updates weren't available, so visit a dealer for software updates. If issues persist, perform a factory reset using diagnostic tools. Note that this erases all settings. To prevent future problems, keep your system updated regularly. Be aware of cybersecurity risks and apply patches promptly. Experts at Bosch state that preventive maintenance and regular updates can prevent up to 70% of infotainment failures. For older models, watch for hardware degradation that may require component replacement. Stay informed about recalls and updates through VW's official channels and user forums like VW Vortex or Reddit's r/Volkswagen.